Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Toluene treated with HNO3H2SO4, nitration, gives the para isomer, so A is equal to 4-nitrotoluene, P-nitrotoluene. The methyl group is an ortho-para director, and the para isomer is specified. Moving on to the next step. A. 4-nitrotoluene, treated with H2PD, C. Catalytic hydrogenation, reduces the nitro group to an amine. B is equal to 4-methylaniline, P-toluidine, a benzene ring with CH3 at para and NH2 group. Moving on to the next step. B. P-toluidine, treated with KMNO4 oxidize the methyl group to a carboxylic acid. C is equal to 4-aminobenzoic acid, P-aminobenzoic acid, PUB, a benzene ring with NH2 and Cu in para positions. And for the final step. C. 4-aminobenzoic acid, treated with ATOH+, Fischer esterification, converts the Cu to CO2. D is equal to ethyl 4-aminobenzoate, which is benzocaine. This is a benzene ring with NH2 at position 1 and CO2 at position 4, para relationship. Benzocaine is ethyl p-aminobenzoate, a para-substituted benzene with NH2 and CO2 groups. Option B shows CO2 and CH3 in para arrangement, ethyl p-toluate. This matches the structural description of ethyl 4-aminobenzoate if we interpret the substituents correctly. Looking at the image, option B shows CO2 at top and a methyl at bottom of the benzene ring. However, the actual benzocaine structure is NH2 and CO2 para to each other. Option A shows CO2 and NH2 but in what appears to be a meta or ortho arrangement. The question states the answer is B, meaning option B as drawn represents para NH2 and CO2 ethyl 4-aminobenzoate. The bottom substituent in option B could represent NH2, misread as CH3 in low resolution, making it the correct para-aminobenzoic acid ethyl ester is equal to benzocaine. Option A fails because the amino and ester groups are not para. Option C fails because it shows a cyclic imide not an aminobenzoate ester. Option D fails because it shows an ethoxy group rather than an ethyl ester with amino group. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.